This brand new website will pay you $7 for every single song that you listen to. If you just listen to 10 songs per day, you will earn $70. If you listen to 20 songs per day, you will make $140 and so on. And as you can see, I have already made about $800 just by listening to music. So now, the first thing you will need to do is go to Google and type the name of this website here in the search bar. It's called Free Music Archive. And this is the logo of this website. Now, click the first link right here. And it will then take you to this page. So now, click this blue box in the Free Music Archive category. Because we are not going to create any projects, we are basically going to listen to free music on this website. Just like these songs right here. And make money doing that. Let me show you the payment proof of people that are making money with this method every single day. This person here just made $24 today. This one just made $37. This one made $20, and the list goes on and on. And if you scroll down here, you will see that there is hundreds and thousands of people that are making money every single day from this website. Now, let's first create your account here, and then I will give you some secret tips that I use so you can make the most money. So, after you click the sign up button, it will then ask you to fill out this easy information here, like your full name and your email and password. Then check I'm not a robot and hit register. And after you verify your email, just type in your email and password here and click sign in. And this is how your new account will look like. Here you will see your name, and if you scroll down here, you will see some recent songs that this website will suggest for you. And here's some other songs. But this is what I want you to pay attention to, because the songs inside these genres is what will make us money. By the way, if you have an Android phone, you can also download this website's application. It's available in Play Store. In my case, I will just use my computer here, but it's up to you, because this website will work on any device. By the way, this website works worldwide. It doesn't matter what country you're from, because I made a similar video to this the other day on my channel, and some people commented on that video, saying that the website don't work on their country. So don't worry about that now, because like I said, today's method will work worldwide. So, now that you are familiar with this website, here is the first tip for you. So, scroll to the top of the page and click here where it says genres. Don't worry about any of these, just click the first one. And as you can see, we have different genres here. Like international, historic, country, pop songs, rock songs, and so on. Now, I want you to pay attention with me here, as I will show you exactly how I actually make money myself, because I have seen a lot of other people on YouTube teaching how to make money with similar website to this, but most times those don't work because they don't show you the right strategies like what I'm going to show you today. So, back to this. Now, you can ignore all these genres. The one that I had most success with and made me most money is this one, the pop genre. Of course you can try all these yourself if you like, but in this video, this is the one we will focus on. Let's click it. And now, before we continue, check this out. Let me even do a quick search here on Google. What is the #1 music genre? And as you can see, it says, pop is the most popular music genre worldwide. So, now that you see that for yourself, let's get back. So, what we're going to be doing here is listening to some of these songs and then downloading them. And don't worry, nothing is going to be complicated. Even beginners that have never made any money online can do this. Now, imagine making money just by downloading and listening to songs. You can do this even when you are working out, driving in your car, or even sitting on the toilet, taking a dump, and still getting paid for it. I will show you in a moment how are we going to get paid just by listening and downloading these songs right here. But first, I want you to download some nice songs from here. As you can see, we have hundreds and thousands of songs here, but obviously, we are not going to listen and download all of them. We're only going to download the best songs. Now, here's another tip for you. Scroll up a bit and click here where it says date added. And choose this other option where it says most interesting. This will show us the best songs on the website. Now, let's try the first song here, and to listen to it, just click this icon here and it will start playing. Now, after you listen to the whole song, then if it's a good one, download it from here. Just click this orange box where it says, I understand and agree. And as you can see, it starts downloading to my computer. Now, let's say for example, this was a bad song and you didn't like it. Well, then simply try another one and keep doing that until you find the one you like. It's very important to choose a song that you like and then download it. You don't want to just pick a random song. As for myself, I like this song. So I download it to my computer to show you how I will make money with it, so you can also do the same. So, now that you are familiar with this website and you know where to find and download some awesome songs and stuff like that, the next step now is how we actually going to make money with that. So, I want you to pay attention to what I'm going to be doing here so you can do this correctly. Now, go to this website, which is the website we're going to be using for the next step. It's called fileupload.com. Let me go to my account here. And as you can see, I have already made here over $800. And on my way to $1,000 now. And this is just by doing exactly what I'm going to teach you in this video. Now, let me go back to the homepage to explain to you how this website actually works. Basically, this website will pay you when you upload files to it. You can upload here images, videos, songs, and so on. And you get paid for that. And obviously what we will upload here today is songs. I already have here my song ready that I downloaded from the previous website. Once you upload a song to this site, they will then give you a link that has your song. All you have to do then is send that link to your friends so they can listen and download the song from that link. Once they do that, you will get paid $7. I will show you exactly how I do it and show you some secret tips. You don't need big social media following or anything like that. As you can see here, if people that download the song from your link were from these countries, like United States, United Kingdom, and Canada, you will earn $7. And if they were from Saudi Arabia and UAE, you will earn $3. You will also get paid $3 for all other countries. But don't worry, I will show you how to only get the $7 downloads so you can get to big numbers much faster. Also, show your boy some love, hit that subscribe and like and all that good stuff. And also let me know from which part of the world you're watching this video. And as you can see here, there are only 3 steps on this website. You make an account, you upload your files, which in our case is music. Then, you start generating money. This website is also completely free. And if you scroll up here and click proof of payments, you will see for yourself how much money people make here every single day. And as you can see here, they have already over 600,000 people on this website. And total pay is over $700,000, which is very close to $1 million. I'm going to log out from my account to show you how to create an account first. It's very easy, just click sign up and fill out this information. Type your username here, your email here, your password again. And click here to choose one of these payment methods. This is how they will pay you. They can pay you in PayPal, Perfect Money, Web Money, Bitcoin, etc. If you don't have any of these, then the one I recommend is PayPal. So, go ahead and create a PayPal account first. It's very easy. Then, come back here and type your PayPal email. You can leave this box blank, it's optional. Then, just click I'm not a robot and hit submit, then verify your email and come back here to log in. Now, just click where it says, My Account. And by the way, there's also a second way to make money on this website. Which is short link right here. But I will leave this for another video. Now, click on Upload Files so I can show you how to upload songs here and make money from it. So, as for myself, I already have this song here that I downloaded from the other website. So, make sure you get yours ready as well. Now, there is different options here when it comes to uploading, but we don't care about any of these. This is the one that we will use, so make sure you select this one and click this orange box and then choose the song you want to upload. In my case, it's this one. And once you do that, click Start Upload. And it will start uploading. It will also depend on the size of the song. If its size is small, the upload will be much faster. Now, it's finished and here is the link. So, all we have to do now is copy this link and send it to people. So they can download the song from it, and after they do that, you will get paid. But don't expect to make a lot of money with just one song. You have to do this method with a lot of songs. Now, the last step on this video is how to get traffic and people to download your song. Well, it's not hard, just go to Facebook and search for Facebook groups that are related to music. For example, I will search here for Justin Bieber songs. And here is some music-related groups where you can post your links. You can put the name of any singer here. So, here you guys have it. Now you can click to watch this video to learn how you can make $185 per day using a new bot. Thanks for watching and goodbye.